Alright, now we're ready to start doing this part right here, down here, this part here. And the way they tell you to do it in the directions doesn't quite work right. This use a circular pattern in the sketch mode and try to extrude it, because for some reason it only allows you to extrude once. You can try to do it that way, and if it works great, tell me how you did it, because I can't figure out how to get it to work. So the way I'm going to show you how to do it is a little different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude, or create a sketch on this surface right here, not that surface, but this surface. Then I'm going to create points. I'm going to create a point at this quadrant right here. One point right there. So basically come up here, create a point right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a circular pattern of this point around, so geometry is that point there, around this axis here, and we're going to do 5 of them. Because if we look back at here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. So that's what we're going to do. So we got the points. You can see a point there, point there, point there, point there. Now I'm not creating holes there, but just to give me a point that I can actually work from. Because then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create circles. I'm going to create a circle right there. Create a circle at that point. You can see how it turns green when it hits the spot. Right there, and right there. Then what I'm going to do is I got to create my dimensions here. It's 0.25 radius. So my 0.25 radius is going to be 0.50 diameter. And once I create the 1, the cool thing is I can use this. Remember the constraints here, equal. Make that one equal to that one. Make that one equal to that one. Make that one equal to that one. And make that one equal to that one. Now they're all the same size. And then the final thing I'm going to do is trim. This trim right here. See how the X up here is right there? See trim? If you look in the parentheses and the instructions and what the trim is, there's a little parentheses X. That's a shortcut. They all have those. If they have a shortcut, move doesn't, obviously. It looks like not many of them do, but trim does X. So if I press X on the keyboard, watch how this lights up. See that? How it lit up right there? So now it's ready to trim. Watch, it shows you what it's going to trim with dashed lines. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, and get rid of that. And now I'm ready to... the final thing I got to do is I got to project this geometry right there. So project that geometry to make sure it's out. So I want that thing brought out here. Hit finished. Now I'm ready to actually start extruding. So I hit extrude. I am going to do the cut. Click on that area there, that area there, that area there, and that area there. That's my profile area that I need to cut. Make sure it's on cut, and I'm cutting 0.05. So it cuts all through. Hit OK. And there it is. It's finished. The wheel is finished. Okay? You can see that right there. It's done. There's the part right there. Okay, and if you want to change the appearance of it, it's up to you how you want to do that. Okay, so